Yeah. That's it.
It's not gonna be the wrong way.
Huh?
It's not gonna be the wrong way.
You said the same way each way. Don't touch my panel. What the fuck?
Okay, sorry. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Is it the wrong way?
I don't know.
Oh, sweet baby Jesus. We're gonna take the body off here in about 10 minutes. 10 minutos. We just got the turbos out. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is very nerve-wracking and scary for me.
Why?
I don't know. We're just gonna lift up a 1,500-pound vehicle with some 4x4s and Harbor Freight chain hoists.
Mike, you work construction. It's gonna be fine.
Oh, I know. Doing my basement was way sketchier than this, I can guarantee you that.
I got a fast car. Oh no.
Thanks, Spike. Now we're gonna lose this monetization on this video. That sounded just like the real thing. Can you hook that behind those rivets? The vertical ones?
Can you jack me up a little bit?
I certainly can.
Hang on, I don't even need it.
You need it. You need a good jacking. I'm freaking hooked. Got some floor patches in. Got this thing coming along pretty good. Alright, we're gonna go time lapse. It's so tall, it barely fits in the screen now. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Should we have made a monster truck instead of lowrider? We'll go out now. Just gotta make some room, and we'll set the body back down on the ground once we get the frame slid out. What do you think, John?
I like that.
I think it's gonna happen.
Oh, that's old stuff. We can just cut that off. I think it's a good thing somebody fixed that toe.
I'm telling you, man, I thought ahead.
Maybe chalk.
Hey, fuck, now we gotta go back down.
Yeah, now we gotta lower it.
Son of a bitch.
It has been.
I don't know why the hell you didn't just put a seat on it.
And just make it a
Put the motor-
go-kart.
Yeah.
Maybe we can do that next. Last little jacks, we are touched down, back on the ground, safe and sound. We had liftoff. Harbor Freight was a little sketchy with their chain hoist binding, but other than that, you parked it in here. You parked it in here crooked. What are you doing down there, Brandon?
Dropping my parts.
That's a lot of Bondo on the ground, boys.